Good morning, good morning, good morning. Stocks go up, stocks go down, then we see, then we see, then we see. Interesting, right? Day yesterday, starting to head back lower, broke the moving average. Do we continue lower? What happens? Don't know. But look at this week, what we've done this week. We had Avago, we sold those, very nice profit. We had Lam Research, we didn't sell those. They're sitting okay. They're still there for AMAT earnings. We sold Roku, was up nicely, and we sold Lilly yesterday, and Lilly's flying. And that's it. And we're not doing much. We're just sitting here waiting. We're waiting for the first sign of Caterpillar and Lam Research to get better. We're waiting for the first sign of Tex to get better. Tesla continues to go lower. Ugly. If this whole market starts to dive, how far down does it dive? Okay? You just have to understand this. That's what's going on. You have to chill and wait. Okay? Very difficult market right now because it's just chilling. It's just sitting. You can buy both sides and you're losing money. Okay? So don't do that. Relax. I mean, Avago has a big move. NVIDIA has a big move. Lam Research has a big move. When does it start? Don't know when it starts, okay? But you have to wait. You have to relax. If there's nothing to do, there's nothing to do. I keep telling you, and you guys should know. I'm going to tell you again. You guys should know. When you send me a message and say, do you like snow? And I say, I'm waiting. Well, do you like MDB? Well, I'm sitting here and waiting. Well, can I go buy the Lilly 600s? Is it going to break through? I'm like, Lilly moves 10 points a week, maybe 20 if it's a great week. You're going to buy the 600s? Can I buy CAT? Over and over. That if I can't buy this, can I buy this? Can I buy it? That's a recipe of you go to zero. You go to zero. How can you not just relax, guys? Chill. This will be ready to go when it's ready to go, okay? It's just not right now. It's just sitting there. I mean, today, if this retail sales number is big, again, another retail sale, they're going to take this down again. Because now they're saying there's going to be more hikes. And here's the reality of the situation. The Fed is stupid. These guys are stupid. Everybody doesn't understand stuff. Here's the reality of the situation is. Raising rates doesn't stop people from buying stuff. It doesn't. They don't care. If you went through COVID and you're 50 years old and there's somebody you know that died from COVID and you have $100,000, do you give a shit? I'm just telling you how it is. Do you care that to save money? You don't care. You're ready to go spend money and live your life. And that's what the government doesn't understand, and that's what nobody understands, okay? They don't care. The world is different. When the world is different, dude, here's something for you. Let's say in 100 years, they come back and they say, you know, the average person that had $200,000 died at 60. I'm just making up stuff. Say that came out. Do you think anybody would save money when they're approaching 60? See, that's what's happened. The market has changed, and they don't understand that it's changed. And they could raise the rate tomorrow to 10%, and it's not going to stop the spending. It's not going to. It's going to stop the borrowing. It's going to raise prices and stuff, but it's not going to stop the spending in retail sales. It's just not, okay? And when they figure that out, then they'll say, you know, this doesn't work like it used to work. So my thing has always been the world and the market is not the same every day and every week. And when it's different, okay? And it's different now. Nowhere in the history of the world has a company like NVIDIA ever grew earnings by $8 billion. Apple never did an $8 billion quarter more. Never. It's almost impossible, and they did it. Wow. Okay? So just understand that. It's a different world. That's what we know. Okay, SPX down 4. That puts it at 30 or 44.40. 44.33. You got 44.21. If that breaks 4,400, 43.92. Okay, here comes housing starts and other stuff. But the trend is lower. So let me tell you, if I've seen something like an Avago is going to go down 20, or Nvidia going to go down 20, or Snow going to go down 20, or Cat going to go down 6 more, I would go buy the puts. But here's the thing: you don't see anything, and the premiums are too high. And when the premiums are too high, you have to chill. Okay? SPX upside 44.62. Avago, let it go lower 831, 800. Okay? 900, 909, 921. Here's the problem with Avago. They bought a company, and they're going on a year plus, and they don't have a deal. Explain this to me. Has all the governments in the world saying, why don't we just, if somebody buys somebody, we're just not going to give them the okay for 10 years. Let's just not give them an okay for 10 years. Fantastic, right? Amazing, amazing, amazing. Okay? Nvidia, 452, 459. Lam Research. Why is it going low? Just explain to me why it's going low. Well, because they're just selling stuff. And let me tell you, if tomorrow AMAT earnings are good and they guide way up and the market starts back up, it's got a 50-point day. 50-point day. But if it doesn't, if AMAT guides down, Lam Research 600. If AMAT guides down and says nothing has got better, look out below. But KLA said good stuff. Lam Research said good stuff. So it wouldn't make any sense. But that's okay. Things don't always make sense. Okay? PNW, once again, earnings Friday after the close. Why are they doing it after the close? Nobody in the history of the world has put out earnings after the close on a Friday. No one in the history of the world. Isn't that funny? Isn't that funny? Right? Interesting, interesting, interesting. So just know that. Okay? Hold on a second here. Okay. Okay. Lilly continues to go. We told you yesterday, money to Lilly. Why? Because they're going to sell the banks. They're going to go to Lilly. Very straightforward here. Okay? 552, 559. 559. UPSD, no man's land, don't sniff it, no touch it, no reason to be in it. Snowman, I like the 170s. Down at about $2. They're not there yet. $2. Interesting. So that's where I like them. So keep an eye on it, Okay? Interesting. So that's what we know. Okay. MDB, nice day yesterday, but getting weaker. Okay? So MDB, 371. Carvana, 41. Roku, 88. Roku, 88. Okay? So keep an eye on it. Roku, 88. BKNG, in no man's land. So just let it sit. The BKNG premiums should be way less than half of what they are. And he's going to keep them high for 2 to 3 weeks, so it becomes unplayable. Okay? Caterpillar, 281, 286. Google, 131. Okay? So Google, 131. What else we got? SCMI needs 272. NOW, 572. Needs 572. Wait. Microsoft, does it finally break 319? If it finally breaks 319, it can go lower. Okay? Tesla breaking lower. 221 now. 221, then we see. 221. Okay? And that's what we know. Comments, questions? Don't see anything. Okay, that's what we know. And that's it. So kind of chill. There's nothing to do till there is. And when it's ready, we'll be in. Okay, everybody have a great trading day. See you in chat.